Hello guys, welcome to another brand new video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we will do an interesting trade with the Australian dollar versus US dollar pair. My risk amount for this trade is $4,000, which is an important part of my trading strategy. I am applying all the trades here. See you later. Guys, I have deposited $4,500 in this account, which I want to grow with proper discipline. Guys, in this video you will see the complete process of trade planning, analysis and entry exit. Now let me explain you why I placed a sell trade here. The market is currently moving downwards. The previous trend was uptrend, but the current trend of the market is downtrend. Here we will first create a downtrend channel, for which I am using Trendline. We will connect this trend line at lower high points. The market is repeatedly taking resistance on this trend line and moving downwards, due to which the market is currently respecting this trend line. Connect the second trend line with the same angle at the lower low points, so that whenever the market comes near this trend line in the future, we will have an idea in advance as to which way the market will move. We will draw strong support resistance level here to get further confirmation, for which I am using the rectangle tool. The market has taken rejection multiple times at this level, due to which the market has respected this level very well. Here you can see that the market first took support at this level and later broke this level and created resistance, due to which a support become resistance pattern has been created here, which is a strong pattern of downtrend. The market has also created a double top candlestick pattern here, which you can easily see in the chart. This is also a strong downtrend pattern. Whenever such a pattern is created, the chances of the market going down increase significantly. Now we place stop loss and target point. Here my stop loss will be 14 pip up outside the downtrend channel and above the strong reversal level. If the market moves up by breaking the trend line and strong level, then our stop loss will be hit easily. And the target point will be 28 pip below where the market has a strong support level. The market had previously reversed upwards around this level. Guys, our loss here has gone from $300 to $1,000. We know here how much loss we will incur, so there is no need to worry. Guys, we have followed the trading process very well here. Now we leave the future results to the market. Whatever result the market gives us, we will accept it and move forward. If you need more trading strategies to improve your trading skills, so you can check the channel playlist there. I have uploaded proper trading strategy videos absolutely free. These videos will be very helpful for you. See you guys after some time. If you like the video, then please like it.
Thank God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but DC where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. And for quit it, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling.
Very dangerous move. Guys, this profit once again proves how important it is to work with patience and strategy in the Forex market. This was a high probability setup because all the levels we drew here were giving signals for the market to go down. Here we gave priority to risk management and kept our stop loss and target point clear, the result of which is in front of you. Guys, here I take these trend lines as correct because the market has slightly changed the angle of its downtrend, due to which we will have to set levels according to the market. This will give you an idea of how the market moves. Here the market had gone a bit sideways after the downtrend. Let me tell you by drawing the level. The market has created multiple support points at this level, due to which the market has repeatedly reversed upwards at the same level. But now the market has broken this level downwards. From here the market can give a good move downwards, because here also support become resistance pattern has been created, which is always created in downtrend. Our goal has been achieved here. Now we close the trade. Guys, right now we are making a profit of $7,600, which is a good amount. We had deposited $4,500 in this account, which has now grown to $12,314. If you also want to become a successful trader, then you just have to work on risk management and psychology, which is 90% of trading. If you have learned something from this video, then please like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.
Tomorrow.
Này, mày, mày, mày,